A company's sales chart is climbing for 3 months straight. Then, suddenly, it drops. Hard.
Could you have seen that coming? With time series forecasting, yes.
Hi, I'm Mahaz, an AI engineer. Last time, a priori found the patterns hidden in your shopping cart. Today, the algorithm that predicts what comes next in time.
Episode 28, Time Series Forecasting, ARIMA and Profit.
In normal machine learning, rows are independent. Shuffle them. Doesn't matter. In time series, the order is the entire point.
Yesterday's value predicts today's. Today's predicts tomorrow's. That dependency is the signal. Lose it, and you lose everything.
Every time series is the sum of 3 things.
Trend, the long-run direction. Up, down, flat.
Seasonality, the repeating cycle. Sales spike every December. Noise, the random leftover that no model captures perfectly. Split them apart, and you understand what you're actually forecasting.
ARIMA requires one critical property, stationarity.
A stationary series has constant mean, variance, and structure over time. A trending series is not stationary. Neither is a seasonal one. Fix it by differencing. Subtract yesterday from today.
One difference usually handles trend. Seasonal differencing handles cycles.
The ADF test tells you statistically whether you're done.
ARIMA has 3 parameters, P, D, and Q.
P, how many past values the model looks at. The memory. D, how many times we difference to achieve stationarity. Q, how many past forecast errors the model corrects for.
ARIMA of 1, 1, 1, 1 lag, 1 difference, 1 error correction.
That single line covers a huge range of real-world time series. How do you pick the right P and Q? 2 charts tell you.
ACF, correlation between the series and its own past lags.
PACF, correlation after removing the influence of shorter lags. PACF cuts off after lag P, that's your AR order. ACF cuts off after lag Q, that's your MA order.
In practice, try a few small values and let AIC guide you.
Facebook Profit takes a completely different approach.
It models trend, weekly seasonality, yearly seasonality, and holiday effects.
You don't pick P, D, Q. Profit figures it out automatically. It handles missing data and outliers without you touching them.
And it gives you interpretable components, trend, and each seasonal layer separately.
ARIMA is the classic, powerful, explainable, but manual.
Profit is the pragmatic choice, fast to deploy, handles business calendars.
ARIMA wins when you need statistical rigor and short, clean series. Profit wins when you have years of daily data with strong seasonality.
Most teams reach for profit first and switch to ARIMA when they need to explain the model.
3 numbers tell you how well your forecast actually performed.
ME, average absolute error, easiest to explain to a business.
RMSE, punishes large errors harder. Use it when big misses are costly. MAPE, percentage error, works across different scales. Breaks at 0. Always evaluate on a held-out test set, never on training data.
In code, both models fit in under 10 lines.
For ARIMA, use stats models. Order is P, D, Q as a tuple. Fit, forecast the test period, compute MA. For profit, just a data frame with DS and Y columns, then fit and predict. If this helped, subscribe. Recommendation systems is next. A few mistakes come up constantly here. Forecasting without checking stationarity first.
Evaluating on training data. That's just memorization, not forecasting.
Ignoring seasonality and wondering why December is always wrong.
Using MAPE when your series has 0 or near 0 values. It explodes.
Trusting the model beyond its forecast horizon. Uncertainty compounds fast. Quick recap.
Time series, order matters. Decompose into trend, seasonality, and noise.
Make it stationary before fitting ARIMA. Use ADF to check.
ARIMA P, D, Q, memory, differencing, error correction.
Profit, automatic seasonality, handles holidays and missing data. Evaluate with MAE, RMSE, or MAPE on a real held-out test set. Episode 29, Recommendation Systems. How Netflix knows what you want to watch before you do.
Collaborative filtering, content-based, and hybrid approaches.
Subscribe so you don't miss it. Challenge. Fit ARIMA and profit on any monthly dataset.
Compare MAE on the held-out test set. Write which one and why. Solution in the repo. That sales drop we open with.
A properly tuned time series model would have flagged it.
Trend. Seasonality. Noise.
Decompose, difference, forecast.
Episode 29, Recommendation Systems, drops next. Subscribe. Which forecast problem would you most want to solve? Comment below.